Welcome back to Hairstyles Life. Today, we're diving into the ever-evolving world of Demi Lovato's hairstyles, haircuts, and hair colors. Demi Lovato, a renowned singer, songwriter, and actress, has always been an icon when it comes to experimenting with her hair. From bold cuts to vibrant colors, Demi has never shied away from switching up her look, inspiring fans worldwide to embrace their own unique styles. Throughout the years, Demi Lovato has showcased an incredible range of hairstyles, from long flowing locks to edgy pixie cuts. One of her most iconic looks was her sleek, jet black bob, which exuded sophistication and glamour on the red carpet. Demi has also rocked various lengths, including shoulder-length waves and playful asymmetrical cuts, proving that versatility is key when it comes to hairstyling. When it comes to hair colors, Demi Lovato is a true chameleon. From fiery reds to platinum blondes, she's experimented with them all. One of her standout looks was her vibrant neon green hair, which she debuted with confidence, sparking a trend among her fans. Demi's ever-changing hair colors serve as a reminder that self-expression knows no bounds, encouraging her followers to embrace their individuality fearlessly. In conclusion, Demi Lovato's hairstyles, haircuts, and hair colors have continuously evolved throughout her career, reflecting her artistic spirit and empowering message of self-love. Whether she's rocking a bold pixie cut or experimenting with a daring new hair color, Demi's fearless approach to hairstyling serves as an inspiration to her fans worldwide, encouraging them to embrace their own unique beauty with confidence.